What is up? Welcome back to Deep Roots Gaming. Today we're bringing you an S22 Ultra unboxing. This phone is from Verizon and I will go through the standard setup as well. Also, I have the Casebus Tank case I will show as well, how it looks on the phone, how it feels. So you have your standard volume and power buttons on your right hand side. Bottom has your USB-C and your S Pen, as well as your SIM card caddy. There is no micro SD. 5 cameras on the back. Let's take a little look inside. You have your pin for ejecting your SIM card, as well as a standard USB-C on both ends cable, and your standard Verizon paperwork. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Now, I'm a big Samsung fan. I've had the Notes. The last phone I had was actually the S21, so this is really similar. We will go ahead and go through the initialization. Takes a few minutes to get through these steps. Alright, start. Check all these. Go next. Make sure those are checked. Next. Check all those. Agree. We are unlimited, so we will select unlimited, and that is pretty much it. Looky, finally got here. Alright, so this case took a little longer than expected. It took almost a week and a half to get to me. They don't sell it on Amazon, so I had to order it from Casebus.com. This is a case bus for the S22 Ultra, and this case caught my eye because it actually has aircraft aluminum or metal on the 2 outer shells. It's a 3-piece case, actually held together with screws. The yellow part is metal and it's wedged between a really thick piece of rubber. So let's check it out. Standard documentation, Allen wrench to undo the screws. So let's go ahead and crack this puppy open. Get rid of all this junk. It does have a wipey cloth, a little carrying strap, which is kind of nice, and it actually has an extra set of screws, which is really nice. And this case also has built-in Gorilla Glass, as you see here. It actually improves the water capabilities of your S22. And this rubberized centerpiece is like a 1/2 inch thick. It does add some weight to your phone for sure. It's nice that it has the knockouts for your charger and your S Pen, and also a little knockout for the carrying strap. So let's get ready to put this phone into the case. It does slide in really easy, and we'll just peel this little layer off of our Gorilla Glass and put it together. A little triangle piece here you line up to make sure your corners line up. Alright, now let's put it back together the way we took it apart. I like to tighten my screws up like on a tire, do corner to corner, side to side. Alright, here it is all put together. It has a bottom flap for the USB-C, a flap for the S Pen, and if you notice, the rubberized exterior protrudes from the corners of the metal slightly, so when you drop your phone, you're not forever denting your metal. This does make your phone extremely heavy and super thick, and it also blocks your fingerprints reader, which kind of sucks. But overall, bulletproof phone case, nice little kickstand, kind of hard to get out. But overall, this case seems extremely tough and should extend my phone life for many years. Hey, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.